Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all doing great. So today we'll be learning how to make this. This is bread buns. Bread buns. You can see the way the inside it's tasted yummy and delicious. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. So this is the flour we'll be using to make our bread buns. So what you need to do is to go ahead and add your yeast and just mix it properly. After that, you go ahead and add salt, you mix it. Make sure you are mixing it properly. After that, go ahead and add sugar. Mix it properly, mix it properly. So after that, the next thing you add is water. You add water and mix. Add water and mix. Then you add your oil and then also mix it. Then the next you just start kneading it. If the dough is not coming together, add a little bit of water. Just add the water gradually till it starts coming together. And also when you add water and you feel it's too sticky, like sticky in your hands and on the bath, then go ahead and add some flour. So that's it. But before you start, I forgot to say this earlier. Make sure you wash your hand properly. Make sure you wash your hand properly. So you go ahead and start kneading it. If you feel it's too sticky, as you can see, add some flour and keep kneading it. Keep kneading it till it's not more sticky. You can see our dough is beginning to form. It's beginning to form and take shape. So you can see the way it is. It's not more sticky on the bath or on the hand. So that's just that. Make sure you knead it properly. If you feel it's sticky, just add some flour in your hand and knead. So that's just that. After that, you go ahead and form your dough to the size you want, depending on how big or how small you want. For those selling it, you can just know the way you form it, the way you mold it. So that's just that. You can see the way it's been molded. You flatten it, then I don't know. I hope you see what I'm trying to explain. So you just fold it in such a way that everything will be round after frying. So you can see it. Just take your time, fold it. You can see the way it is. Just flatten it, and then just you do as if you are bringing all the edges at the middle. At the middle. You can see the way my mom is doing hers. You can see it. So that after frying it, the shape will be, will look fine. You can see the way it is. First of all, you flatten it, not too flat, just flatten it. Then I hope you understand. So that's just that. So after that, you just set it aside, cover it, and allow it to rise. Please allow it to rise between 30 to 1 hour. Between 30 to 1 hour, it should increase in size. That's what I mean, that you should allow it to rise. That is going to increase in size. You can see the way it is. It has increased in size. So the next thing is to go ahead and fry. Just add your oil in your frying pan, allow it to get hot a little bit, then start adding it. When the under is like okay, you just flip it over and fry it. And that's just that. You can see the way it is. You can see the way the shape is. So for this shape, it's been sold for 15 naira. It's been sold for 15 naira. So depending on how you want to sell yours, 100 naira, 15 naira. So just mold it into the shape you want, and that's that. You can see how it is. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. You can see the way the inside is looking. So that's just that. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.